Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to share with you a sweet package that I received from my lovely friend Sybil. She has a YouTube channel here on YouTube and a blog and an Instagram that you should definitely go and follow. I will link all of her details in the description box. A few weeks back we talked about sending each other Christmas cards. So this is Sybil's Christmas card, but it's much more than just a Christmas card. And I was so excited when I received the package from my postman. And I was like, oh, thank you. I'm so glad that it arrived safely. First of all, the box is gorgeous. It's a Heidi Swap box. I'm definitely going to reuse this one and have it in my little craft room. It's so pretty. I love these colours. These are the colours that we are going to have on the wedding. So we were supposed to get married, me and my fiance, this September, but because of COVID we pushed it to next year, so next September. But it's going to be a lot of purple colours. Yeah, just really pretty. So she knows what I like, Sybil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start opening this box. It's well taped, so I haven't had a peek yet. And then I'm gonna read her message off camera just because I want to see what's in the little message, a private message. Let's open this. I'm so excited. You knew that I love this card. When she shared it on her Instagram, I was like, my word, I love this card. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you, Sybil. This is gorgeous. This flower, I mean, I just saw the video when she was doing a tutorial on how to put together this flower, and the flower just looked gorgeous on the video and on Instagram as well in the photo. But this flower is gorgeous in real life. All of that glitter, oh wow, and the star. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so happy. I love receiving Christmas cards. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read this off camera, and then I'm going to continue opening the package because there is a lot of yummy stuff in here. Oh, that was such a sweet message. Thank you, Sybil. You're so lovely. And when I remove the plastic wrapper around this card, look on the inside. Happy holidays to you and yours. Oh, it's so sweet. I love this card. You know what? The first card I received from Sybil was years ago. I still have it. I still have it in my crafts area. It's hanged up with a lot of other things she's created, and this will be displayed every Christmas in my craft area. And because I am planning to move as well, and if I move I will have a craft room, so instead of a craft area I will get like a craft room. So then it's definitely gonna have its lovely place, maybe in a glass display or something like that. I've got a lot of plans for this craft room, but it's beautiful. And thank you for your lovely words, and thank you for your friendship. I am so excited to continue to open this package, and what I see here is peaceful greetings. This is gorgeous. I haven't seen this on your channel. I haven't seen this being shared, or maybe I've missed it, but it's gorgeous. Wow, all of these die cutting, so intricate. Oh, it's so pretty. And then on the inside it says, when they saw the star, they rejoiced exceedingly with great joy. That is so pretty, Sybil. Gorgeous. Oh, and you've got your stamp. I really want to get one of these just because I don't have one. And it's perfect to have that with your YouTube channel as well. Oh, it's beautiful. I love this. It's so glittery as well. Perfect. That's going to be perfect to display in my now craft area, and then future craft room. Ooh, I'm so excited to open this. So we've got loads of this protection. Just quickly remove them from the package. I'm so excited to open this. You're crazy, first of all. You're crazy in an amazing, goodly way. But I'm panicking now because the package that I sent you, because of lockdown, none of the shops have been opened, and it's just been crazy. But I hope that you like what I sent you, because now you're spoiling me way too much here. You're crazy, Sybil, you're crazy, but in a good way. So I received these lovely Prima flowers. I love Prima. Prima is quite expensive here in the UK though, so I don't tend to buy them, but I mean, look at these. These are gorgeous. There is a reason why they are more pricey, because they are so pretty. I just love these pink flowers and the one with polka dots. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sybil. Oh no. Oh no, you did not. Sybil, you're crazy. Oh my word, you did not send me this set. Sybil, thank you so much. Oh, I sent you a picture of this a few weeks back and I said, oh, I love this set, but I bought way too much now. I'm not going to buy anything more. And then you send it to me. Oh, you're too sweet. Thank you so much. I love this. Absolutely love this, Tilda. And the car with the pumpkins. And the little pig. It's so cute. And then you got the sentiment stamp as well. Oh, thank you. This would have been more than enough. Oh, my word. You've sent me way too much. Oh, I love this. This is gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to paint. I can't wait to colour. Oh, I've been given so much work currently at work, so many projects before Christmas. They're like, oh, finish this, finish this, finish this. So I'm just like a little bit stressed, but when I get my Christmas time off, I'm gonna colour this one. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, Sybil. And then you sent me some beautiful gems. These are pretty. I love using gems. I think they spice up a card perfectly. And these are from Gina Marie Designs. I've never heard about them before, but I love these colours. These are great, and they are like the perfect colours that I create with. Thank you so much, Sybil. Ooh, some more stamps. Let it snow. Oh, I love this snowflakes. Think about that with our embossing powder. Oh, this is pretty. These are lovely. Oh, I love that. Look at that. That is very, very detailed. Thank you so much, Sybil. I wonder what... Ooh, create paper. That is great. These are lovely. Thank you so much, Sybil. Really, really lovely. Oh, these will be great on some winter cards that I'm going to create in January. Oh, look at this. You've sent me more. Thank you so much, Sybil. Wow, look at these. These are cute. They will go great with the snowflakes. That's like perfect. That looks like my little brother. Oh, this is so sweet. And I love that sentiment as well. And the snow day. And I guess this is from Create Paper. Oh, it is. Thank you so much. You are spoiling me. No way. Are you crazy? No way. Okay, I'm lost for words. No way. Did you actually send me polka doodle stamps? Oh! Oh, I'm so excited. This is like Christmas. Oh my word. And these stamps that I loved as well. I'm trying not to scream, but I am screaming soon. These are gorgeous. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited to have these. Oh, these are beautiful. Thank you so much, Sybil. This is gorgeous. I feel so bad now. I haven't sent enough. Oh my word. You have your birthday in January. I'm gonna make up for it. Oh my word. These are gorgeous. And so are these as well. Oh, I'm just lost for words. You are spoiling me so much. I love this one. And as a stamp as well, that means I can actually colour them with my distress ink instead of just the alcohol markers. Oh, I love this. It's so sweet. Oh, it's perfect. These will be perfect. I'm actually working on Christmas cards currently. I'll show you a peek of it. Like, and these, if I have time, if my manager doesn't give me like another project to work on tonight, I will colour these and use them for the cards that I'm making. Ooh, I'm so excited. And look at this, you sent me dice as well. Oh my, no way, Sybil, come on. This is too much. This is way too much. Oh my word, you sent me dice from Polka Doodles. This is crazy. I love this. This is great shapes to have. And I don't have this shape either. Oh, thank you so much. I'm gonna cry. You're so sweet, Sybil. Thank you. And then circles. These circles are gorgeous. Perfect card making size. Ah, just, you're crazy. You are, my word. This box is filled to the brim with stuff. And I've got Christmas dies like holly and spruce. These are gorgeous. You're crazy. You're crazy, but in an amazing way. I'm so thankful. My word, this is too much, Sybil. You have spoilt me. These are gorgeous. This will be lovely to use on Christmas cards and winter cards. And oh, I love this. This is pretty. Very pretty. Oh my word, I love this. Fancy snowflake. And it's a perfect size as well. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh no. Oh no. Sybil. I can't believe you sent me one. I can't believe you sent me this that is not possible to get in the UK. Oh, you're crazy. Oh my word. Oh my word. Sybil. Sybil, Sybil, Sybil. You have spoilt me so much. Oh my word. This stamp set, I was looking for it everywhere in the UK and it's sold out everywhere. Literally everywhere. Oh my word, I can't believe you that you've given me this. You're so sweet and you're so generous and I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna cry. You're just, oh my word, just your friendship, like, it's just so lovely and I'm lost for words because I'm speaking in another language. But I'm gonna speak a little bit Swedish for you now and I know you won't understand it, but tack så mycket, du är så fin, åh, du är så snäll och så generös och du bara sprider din kärlek och allting. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Oh, thank you. And your lovely card as well. This is, it's so lovely. I'm lost for words and if I speak anymore I'm just gonna cry because you're the loveliest person. I'm so happy that I got to know you. Really, really happy. Just your friendship. And then all of this is just crazy. You're, oh, I'm lost for words. I'm totally lost for words. You are so sweet. Thank you so much, Sybil. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for all of these years I've known you and you've been so kind and so, I mean, so generous. You've really just sent me a ton of stuff. I'm lost for words. Thank you so much. Now I'm gonna message you after this video and be like, my word, you sent me too much. Thank you, Sybil, once again. You're crazy. I call you crazy, but you're crazy in an amazingly good way. I love you loads and see you guys in my next video. Bye.